Halika. Tingnan natin yung garden natin. Hi, baby. This is Whaley. Hi, baby. Okay, come on. Look at this. Ow. This is basil. And may tanglad, lemongrass, and my okra. Oh, there's another one. Yay! Magkakaon na tayo nito. Yung sili. Hindi pa namunga yung atsal. Marlos green beans. Uy, may pipino namatay. Hey, come on, baby. Hello guys. Hello guys.